Today, we're going to show you the pre-collision warning system on the 2020 Honda CR-V Touring Sport Utility Vehicle. Your adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist system can be turned on and off with the push of a button on your steering wheel. The adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts the vehicle's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicles ahead, and the lane keeping assist system may gently steer you back into your lane if you begin to drift out of it. You can find these things more extensively from the touch screen panel. Within the settings menu, you'll find the vehicle tab, which allows you to change the driver assist system settings. The blind spot system and lane keeping assist are great safety features to have in your vehicle. You can change your audible and visual warnings to adjust your driving preference. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle or any of our other new or pre-owned vehicles, you can visit us at williamshonda.net or give us a call at 607-333-7092.